everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a popsicle logic activity. Now this activity was really tough for Jordan in the beginning. I would try doing this activity almost every week and one day he finally figured it out. So I thought he would be able to do this activity first because this is the simplest activity. Here he just has to match the colors. So I thought that this would be the easiest and he would be able to do this activity first, but I was really surprised that the first activity that he did was this one, and matching the outlines of the colors, which is kind of tough according to me. But then you have to figure that out with your kid, whether your kid is able to match the colors first or the outlines of the colors first, which is the easiest one. Now I tried doing this from a very long time, and finally once he figured it out, I first made him match the outlines here, like I would say green, so he would match green. Then I would say, can you match red color, and red, and then orange. And sometimes I would say, which color is this? He would say purple, and then red again, or you can use some other color. Now in the beginning use very few colors. You can try 4 or 5 colors like how I have done, and I named this as level 1 because I seen how Jody performed, and I thought of making it a little tougher, once he's very good with this one. So once he was really good at this activity, I moved on to the second one. So in the same card, now this is from the cereal box that I got cardboard, so I just kept it and I finally used it for this activity. Now the second activity, second level, that's what I named this as. Okay, here I made outlines of 2 similar colors. So 2 orange, 2 green, 2 purple, 2 red, and I randomly just made the outlines, and I asked him to match orange, purple, green, and red. Okay, so now these activities are really good for your child's one-to-one correspondence, color identification, and critical thinking. Moving on to the third one, so I'm just going to show you the cards that I have made. I'm going to keep this aside. So these are the cards that I made. Now I made these patterns all randomly, and you can make your own patterns the way you want, and whatever colors you have, popsicle sticks, you can use those colors, and you can do this activity with your kid as well. So you can start with just 2 colors. So in the beginning, if you want, you can make 3-4 cards of maybe 2 colors or 3 colors. So here I made Jody to match 2 colors. So I asked Jody, which color is this? Purple. And sometimes he would find it tough, so I would just show him the color green. Okay, then I would move on to, right now Jody's favorite is this one, the triangle one. Okay, he loves this one and he always says triangle, so he says tabababa. And then purple and green. So these activities are amazing, guys. Try this out with your kids, and hope you guys love my content. And if you do, go ahead and like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I would also show you guys the video of the activity, of this activity that I did with Jordan. I will also show you guys the few attempts and trials that I did with Jordan and it didn't work out. So stay tuned and I will be seeing you in my next video, guys. Bye. So which color is this?
Green.
Green. So put green color. Roddy. Purple.
Purple.
Yes, purple.
Purple.
Yes. Can you put purple there?
Purple.
Keep the purple color there, Jordan. Yes, purple.
Oh, okay.
Purple. Very good. Very good. Keep it there. Yes. Nice. Good. Okay, Jordan, this is the first card. Orange. Yeah, where is orange color over there?
Orange.
Yes. Very good.
Orange.
Yeah. Keep the orange color, baby. Very good. Here, Jordan, green here. Red. Red. Oh my god. Seriously, Jordan? Seriously? Okay, very good. Very good. Yeah, keep it like that. Give. Then this is red. Orange. You don't have to collect it, Dorrit. See the color. Very good.